Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make kalakand. By the way, kalakand is a famous Indian sweet. Let's get started. First you can take a tin of condensed milk. Then you have to curdle the milk to make paneer. Then you have to strain the paneer in the strainer. Next you have to mix condensed milk and paneer like this. You have to mix till it becomes thick for around 5 to 7 minutes. Now you can see it has thickened up, but you still need to cook it for more time, like 4 minutes more. As you can see, it's coming together. Now we have put it in the mold to set. Now we can garnish it with some pistachios like this. And some almonds. Once it has cooled down, we can put it in the fridge to set for half an hour. Now you can cut the kalakand into pieces and then you can enjoy your wonderful kalakand. So this is my story on how to make a kalakand. Stay home and stay safe. Please subscribe to my channel.